Hi. Hi YouTube. I just today wanted to share something with you. With these are my leftovers from my other project, which was for the metal shim for my cuttle bug, and this is a metal lid. So just to see that I'm sticking things the right way, I'm just using that as a test stick, because this way it doesn't stick. So I've just had that simple idea now. So I'm just making this. It's just a simple thing. Bit of cardstock cut to the size of this. Just a magnet, and then the magnet itself. Remember that's on the outside, otherwise it won't stick to your fridge. Then I'm using double-sided tape, and I'm going to use my silver, silver and gold taping pen. I've already went over it in gold, so now I'm going to do silver. And I'm just going to use my ruler to guide me. Can you see that? You have to press quite firmly. You have to leave it to dry as well. Because it's thingy-bob. Oh, where's the lid gone? I won't be able to do all of it yet. So I'm going to just put that back, and because you have to leave it to dry, and I won't be able to show you everything. Till I huff it, puff it dry. You can put diamantes on it and stuff like that as well. So make sure you're using the right side. I could just work on there actually. Put the thing on. No. Put the thing on, and then that will go on top. And that's just an easy magnet project with leftovers from your magnetic shim platform. I made 3 of those. One for my Sizzix die cutting machine, one for my Anna Griffin with the long plates, and one today for my Cuttlebug. So from one sheet I've got a few leftovers now to make a couple of stroke 3, stroke 4 magnets for my fridge. You can do so many things with just one A4 sheet of magnet. Sheet. Can you still see this? I went out for a little walk today to my local Sainsbury's. Used my Lecter card. They finally got it right after all this time. Issue me wrong cards and different numbers and stuff like that. Thanks everyone for watching my videos. I really do appreciate your support and everything. Yeah, this is super sticky. I hope I got the right side. Imagine if you do it all then you realised, oh god, the magnet sticky side's actually on the other side. I'm just going to put one more across. Don't want my thing to fall off. The double-sided tape, you can get 3 rolls. 3 rolls. Actually, I've picked up 3 rolls from Amazon. They were like a deal at the time. I don't know what the price is now. So just work out which way you're going there. Place it on. You can cut if you've got any overhang off. It's still the size, right. So just keep working on. You don't always need super glue. You can use your fine tapes. Double-sided tape, obviously. This is just a quick, simple project because I felt like doing something. Getting out of bed rest. I'm on bed rest. So, you know, get it out of that and then quickly making something. I saw something online and I thought, oh, you have to buy a die for it. It's £12. I was like, oh, I could probably make that somehow myself. So I haven't thought about it as yet, but when I do, I'll show you. I'm sure you can make lots of things by hand and by eye and cutting and measurements and rulers and cardstock and paper stock by yourself. So dies are for making money for the companies, right? But in the olden days when we didn't have dies, we made everything ourselves, remember? So there we go, just measure it, make sure you got the right side. And rub it on. There. And I can bling this up once my silver paint has dried. And you can cut off the edges and still see if it's magnetized. Yes, it is. And actually, while I'm here, I'll go over it with the other side with my gold leafing pen. I didn't actually order any more gold leafing pens because I want to try a copper one and other colors, you know. So yeah, I suppose you could try all the colors instead of just buying one. Yeah, you're gonna have to leave that to dry. Did that actually go on? Yeah, it did, look. Can you see? So I'm using 2 different colours. Press firmly. Turn your work around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it to dry. I'm gonna put some bling on, but after it's dry, not yet. I always do projects and then I have to leave them to dry for ages. And then sometimes I show you the end result and other times not. So mostly I do though. So see, do you remember this? That's been drying for so many nights and it still hasn't dried. I mean, it's dried fully, but it hasn't, like, it's supposed to be glass-like, and it isn't. So I don't know what went wrong there. So not everything works out all the time, but you shouldn't give up. Keep trying and practicing. Oh, and also, sorry about that, I wanted to show you the other day when I was searching through my other room, my first craft room, I found myself a small metal shim that I think that I can use in my anagraph die cutting machine. Look, this metal, and it comes from Homebase or B&Q or something like that, but you can use it as a metal shim for intricate dies and your die cutting machine. I'm gonna have to use it another time. You know, if you had an intricate die that wouldn't cut out. But so far, thanks to my self-healing cutting mat, everything's cutting up fine and dandy, so I don't need it. But this is intricate, and so I don't need it. But if you didn't have a self-healing cutting mat, you could use it. I think it's similar to the Precision Plate Sizzix, but they use two metal shims, I assume, stuck together, and I've only got one there. There, it's nice and shiny. You can bling it up and stuff, like I said. But let's see if I got any bling to hand right now. No, not really. I've got these. I don't fancy using them yet. Then I have to use my strong glue, and this is very odor. It's setting off a odor, and I don't really want another odor having to deal with something else that smells in my bedroom, so I won't be adding anything on just yet. And just leave this to dry. It's quite pretty. My sister likes gardening. Maybe I could give it to her and write her name in the middle. Oh, that's a good idea with my silver leafing pen. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that to dry before I get finger marks on it. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, write me a lovely comment, and have a great evening. See you. I've got a great project coming up soon, but I'm not going to show you today. You have to tune in and see. It's to do your die cutting plates for your cuttlebug. It's my own idea. I'm going to make a video of it soon. You have to stay tuned for it. Okay, take care. See you. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.